Hi, I'm Donna Meyer. I'm with Jason Whittle, All-Pro Team, Remax Lake the Ozark. Today, we are here to present to you Top Shelf. So this is a luxury condo unit. It's at the end and top floor. Don't worry about steps. We have an elevator right outside the door. So what you're gonna find here is everything you need for it to be luxury. So you have central back, you have a water system, you have a whole laundry room, 600 square feet plus of outdoor living on your deck with amazing views and amazing sunsets. We have 3 bedrooms that are all en suite. Come with me, let's take a tour. We hope you enjoyed going through Unit 5A. Also, don't forget, there's a beautiful, beautiful clubhouse here. And you also have a 12 by 32 slip and a PWC slip. So give us a call at 1-800-836-2005 for your personal showing time. Thank you.